أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمد رسول الله أشهد أن محمد رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا
سيدنا ومولانا محمد وعلى اله واصحابه اجمعين. يا ايها الذين امنوا اتقوا الله حق تقاته ولا تموتن الا وانتم مسلمون. يا ايها الناس اتقوا ربكم الذي خلقكم من نفس واحده وخلقكم منها زوجها وباس منهما رجالا كثيرا ونساء واتقوا الله الذي تساءلون به والارحم ان الله كان عليكم رقيبا. يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله وقولوا قولا سديدا يصلح لكم أعمالكم ويغفر لكم ذنوبكم ومن يطع الله ورسوله فقد فاز فوزا عظيما. أما بعد اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد كما صليت على سيدنا إبراهيم وعلى آل سيدنا إبراهيم في العالمين إنك حميد مجيد. اللهم بارك على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد كما باركت على سيدنا إبراهيم وعلى آل سيدنا إبراهيم في العالمين إنك حميد مجيد. يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله حق تقاته ولا تموتن إلا وأنتم مسلمون. Toute gloire, toute louange à Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Et que sa paix ainsi que sa bénédiction soit sur notre prophète Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. So, we will work the
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Regardez. Assalamu alaikum.
Haitian Muslim?
Ouais. Haitian Muslim. Alhamdulillah, buddy. Come on. Assalamu alaikum. This is the masjid Yassin, the second masjid in Haiti. Assalamu alaikum. This is where people meet Voodoo to come enjoy.
That's not a design? No.
Assalamu alaikum. How you doing, brother?
Okay,
So this is the imam.
Imam
Yassin.
Muhammad Zakaria.
Yeah, how you doing,
Yes.
brother? Imam.
As you know, we still alive. Alhamdulillah, in the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Yeah, so I see like many brothers coming to make the Juma prayer here.
So that's, as you know, that this is an obligation. We have to pray. I know, 5 times a day, and as you know, Juma prayers is an obligation. So inshallah, we have a lot of Muslim and brothers and sisters always
MashaAllah,
come and
alhamdulillah.
make sure perform.
Let's say listen the hazan, inshallah.
Yeah.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمد رسول الله
أشهد أن لا إله
أشهد أن محمد رسول الله حي على الصلاة
لا ولا قوة إلا بالله.
حي على الصلاة
لا ولا قوة إلا بالله.
حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح
لا ولا قوة إلا بالله.
الله أكبر الله أكبر
الله أكبر الله.
لا إله إلا الله
لا إله إلا الله محمد نبي رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. Jazakallah, brother. Assalamu alaikum. So great hazan.
Yeah.
MashaAllah. What's your name, brother? Your name?
Mohammed Mustafa.
Okay. Muhammad Musa. Jazakallah. Okay. So I will get ready to make like the process. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.
So how you doing, brother Imam Zakaria?
So we are okay, and the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Okay, so I have some question for you so about this community. So how's this masjid name?
Yassin Masjid.
Okay, so since who built this masjid?
So this is a long story, so not too long. As I told you, this masjid belongs to us, that's especially for the community of Yassin Mosque. So the Bangladesh people bought the land, the Bangladesh people 1995
Okay.
bought the land for us, then once we have some possibilities, we do some work, inshallah.
Okay, like how many brothers and sisters you have in this community?
We have about 135 brothers and sisters.
Okay, that's perfect.
Safely, yeah.
Yeah, like so you make the Juma prayer, the 5-time prayer a day?
Yeah, we used to. So anyway, we have to.
Okay, like So what kind of help that you need? Like I see the masjid it's broken down. You know, like who, which kind of help that you need for this masjid?
So as you know, we have to start by the beginning. Any kind of help you provide to us, so we'll be accepted. So as you know, you see that. So we would like to repair the mosque, okay, the fastest possible.
Yeah.
Because you know.
So I see there's no electricity.
So there's no electricity for the moment.
Okay.
Sometimes we have electricity from the government.
Okay.
So we need a generator. Okay.
They like who provide you water for people may go through?
So the water, we have a big one. So once we have electricity, we just switch on the water pump. So I have a friend of mine already give to me money to buy a water tank upstairs.
Okay.
We have water.
And then what you need, what the necessity for this in this masjid?
So urgently and very important, we need to repair the mosque.
Like
that's
what?
meaning,
Like to paint?
So we need first to buy a truck of sand, a cement. We need a paint. We have to paint it.
Like painted.
Yeah.
Like the color.
Yes.
Like I see this.
White colors. Yeah. Then
you
green.
see?
Yeah. That's okay. We have to remove those things, then repair it completely.
You see?
Then
Looking down.
we have to buy cement, sand, okay, to remove those things, then repair it completely. Then the urgently also we have, so we need a amplifier with a microphone.
Okay, the microphone to make the
to make the khutbah, to make the speech.
Okay.
This one okay, so this one not okay.
Okay.
We have to change it, then to buy a new speaker, okay, because I got already one, so only one is not enough.
And then what's the necessity again?
The urgently things we need, very important, to make a place for the ladies with wood.
Where?
Okay, they can come this place. And from I will start it here, put a little door for the ladies, and separately, then is on the place for the ladies. Okay. Then until here.
Like you
Then
need to
just
cover
here.
with the plywood.
So I will remove this with the plywood. Okay. I have to do that for more secure.
Okay.
Then we need a 3 fence because I have only 2. Okay. So we have to remove those not okay. Just bring the new one.
Okay.
Then the generator very important. Also.
Yeah. So let's talking about the Muslims, like the Muslim brothers, like they have food to eat.
So as you know, Alhamdulillah, we are Muslim so Allah always support us in case of need.
Okay.
So we are a poor community, everybody knows that. So only if that depends on the person, if someone wants to help us, so we are thank you in advance. Because you know the situation very hard for the Muslim in Haiti, even though they are very suffering about eating, about something like that. So they always practice Islam.
After the earthquake in Haiti, mostly the house breaking down. This community, the Muslim and sisters brother, do they have house to sleep?
So until now, we have a lot of problems about that because since the earthquake, I thought some people already may be supposed to reach to support them. So until now, we don't have nobody to help them. So I hope Allah will send some help for us.
Okay, like do they have clothes?
So clothes, as you know, so we are the needy community. So
Yeah.
clothes not too okay. So
Which kind of clothes that you need?
when it makes clothes, a jalabia, a kufi, and a t-shirt, pants, and when it shoes for the ladies, something like that, and for the kids, and mix.
Okay. Do they have any skills like
Yes, I think so. Yes, because as you know, since the time we have born, Allah always puts skills on in our minds.
Okay.
So anyway, we are Muslim. We have carpenters. We have plumbers. We have, so there is nothing to do because we have to start the business, but the money, even though they have no money, so
okay, like
they
you
cannot
mean
perform their skills.
yeah, you mean they need the business. Which kind of business they want to set up about?
It depends on the person. For example, if we have if the person can perform completely a plumber, he's a plumber. You wanna go to build a business about plumbing.
Okay.
If he's a carpenter, that's the same thing. Even though he's a tailor or something like that. Yeah, some people cut hair, maybe barber shop. Everything's like that will be okay. I have that. Yeah,
Yeah, exactly.
we can start anyway.
Yeah, how they live. Like
I
see
want
them
the
there,
mosque, not far. I want the mosque.
yeah. Okay.
I want the mosque.
Assalamu alaikum, brother. What's your name?
Abu Musa.
Abu Musa. How you doing, Abu Musa?
Fine, inshallah.
You know, so how long that you have been Muslim?
It's so long though, like 15 years ago though.
15 years ago.
Of course.
MashaAllah.
That's why the imam was my friend so long though.
Okay, really, man. Yeah. So how you become Muslim?
How I become Muslim? Because
Yeah.
I had my brother. I mean, I gotta tell you that I have had my little brother. He was Muslim before.
Okay.
And then when I'm looking for him and I see there's something changing though, and I see I have to change too.
Exactly.
That's good. Yeah.
And during the time, I had a dream. I'm telling you, man, I recited like the first word in the Quran through the dream.
Which
And
word
since
is it?
then I become Muslim.
Okay. So how you live? Do you have how's your life? What you do in your life?
That is secret.
We had
That is really
situation
secret.
on that.
That is really secret.
No, you can
reason
talk.
why? Because I'm a believer. Certain thing I gotta tell to Allah,
Yeah,
nobody
alhamdulillah.
else.
Exactly. But like which kind? Like if someone want to help you,
If someone want to help me, that
And
would
what?
be open-minded, open good.
yeah. And what you want the brothers help you? Yeah.
Like for me, I think whatever they give me, I will appreciate it.
Like what? If someone
business.
like listen, if someone say he will give you a bag of rice,
Appreciate it.
you will appreciate, but it will be enough for you.
I think so.
Okay, but let's talking about the business, like to survive. Do you have kids?
Not yet. I'm single man.
Okay, you are
I'm
a single man.
man.
Okay, brother. Like, thank you to talk to you, inshallah.
I
So
appreciate
I will send this video to the brothers to see
No
how
problem.
the situation is and the masjid they are seeing. So, Imam, you say this masjid it's built since who?
In 1995.
Okay,
So no, not the masjid. This is we have a place. So we make the construction.
okay,
So the land bought by the Bengash people
okay,
from 1995.
Okay.
So I was the responsible
Yeah.
from this date. Then, so anyway, as you see, the community go up.
yeah.
So,
You know, this
about the
masjid
faith.
it needs a lot of help.
yeah, a lot
to
of
build,
help. So
you know?
remove those things only that.
Yeah,
Then just cement something like that. Very
Yeah,
easy.
you know. There's a lot of works to do here. Yeah, it's very dangerous. You know.
You don't know whenever they can
Yes.
go down, man.
So we want to repent the mosque also.
Yeah, to paint.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of works to do here.
About the education also, we need some help about education.
You need some help in what?
About education, so we have to teach the students. So we need books. We need some translation,
Okay.
Arabic translation, something like that.
Yeah,
And
I have
French.
I have another question for you. So what you think about if they send the youth for you, that they will come in Haiti to teach the Muslims brothers, then the youth will go back in the country, but the Muslim in this community will share the knowledge.
That's the best thing, I think so.
Okay.
So because without education we cannot do nothing. So even though there are some people to help us about knowledge, it's the best thing. I think so. It's the first thing we need. One, even though the mosque, okay, we have to repair the mosque, everything. So including to repaint the mosque. So the emergent things and urgently, very important, education first.
Okay.
So if them can send some people to us to teach them, okay, to share on their knowledge with us, then after that we can make the rotation about knowledge to help each other, inshallah. So as you know, knowledge, and we have to, with the knowledge we'll follow the Sunnah Prophet Muhammad until the day of the Qiyamah, inshallah.
Inshallah. Okay, Imam, Jazakallah for the
Okay,
question.
the pleasure is mine to say thank you.
Okay, well, Assalamu alaikum.
Yo, man.
Yeah.
Salam.
Wa alaikum salam tullah.
Salam.
Wa alaikum salam. Take care, brother.
So when your name is
Ibrahim Abdul Salam.
Musa.
Abu Musa.
I wish to see you
Yeah,
next
inshallah,
Friday.
inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Then you go like
Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah, wa alaikum salam tullah. Yeah.
Okay. It's very simple. Like to have Islam in Haiti, not only in Haiti, and all over the world, all over the world. We need social thing, like hospital, school, and help people to become someone, as Allah said in His the Quran. You understand?
Yeah.
Like when you give someone like the food is not enough, but when you bring him to school, it's enough.
Yeah.
When you have him to have wealth, it's enough. But we need that, not only religion.
So, Mr. Ibrahim, I think so. Your staff is very interesting about Islam in Haiti.
Yeah.
So, please, can you share this message for them?
Yeah, inshallah.
We need. This is very important and urgent. Also to have a VTC, Vocational Training Center, for the Muslim and brothers and sisters in Haiti, Muslim people. This is very important. We have nothing. Okay, please share this message with them. Then will be highly appreciated in front of Allah SWT.
Yeah, inshallah.
This is an obligation to work on the way of Allah
Inshallah.
until the day of Jannah, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam tullah. Yeah, they say they need like this stuff to spread Islam in Haiti,
Yes.
because like many people in this area, they want to become Muslims because there's no
We
way
have a
to
lot
help
of friends,
them.
so you understand that. So those people want to become Muslim, so we have to do our own effort also.
Okay.
Hospital, a VTC, Vocational Training Center, making a lot of business. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like to help them go. Right?
Yes,
Of course.
yes.
Humanism.
Anywhere in the world you see,
Humanism. Not
anywhere you reach,
humanitarianism.
Islam has everything. On Haiti we have nothing.
Okay, brother. Jazakallah khair. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah.
Ashhadu an la ilaha
Ashhadu an la ilaha
محمد رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. So this is the Masjid Tawhid, this is the yard, this is the Masjid, they have the school.
And this is one of the brothers who seem to be one of the more controversial brothers in the Jamaat. He's the man in charge of security and he gets his work done very seriously. When it comes to security, he makes no joke about it.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alright? He's a real talker, you know, so maybe you should talk for the people of Trinidad here. Give them a message.
All I want to say, assalamu alaikum to my fellow Muslim brothers and sisters. And I must say thanks for coming to Haiti and assist us. And I will make some du'as for my fellow Muslim brothers and sisters and continue to assist us to, how should I say that, to teach the Muslim brothers and sisters so they could come back to Haiti to teach the others. Inshallah. I must say assalamu alaikum and keep up the good work.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum.
Appreciate that.